super excited to have this space to announce him for the exhibition battle. I'm gonna start this right now. One last time, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna start this right now. Are you guys really ready? For the first exhibition of Nature Box 3, we get this started. But before that, we need to check with the mic control. That is me. But at the same time, we need to check with the DJ as well. DJ, are you super ready to bring the heat? Yes?
Let's go.
All right. Give your maximum hype. Give your most energy. Stay away. Don't come inside. Let the camera people record everything. So let's get this. Who's gonna go first? He obviously. Why he obviously? He has a very great style. He's very cocky, right? He says things in advance and he makes things happen. But on the other guy, on the other hand, this guy, he doesn't speak much. He says, I don't need to speak much. When I dance, that's when you see. So you guys want to see what's going to happen right now? Okay. DJ, if you're ready, we drop this right now. We decide who is going to go first. Let's quickly decide who's going to go first. It's your house. All right. Chaos got this. Chaos is never in stress. He got this. Let's go, Chaos. This is your moment, buddy.
Yes, I want more. I'll do anything for it. It's like that. Krump is my horror story. Pin to the block. Rewritten everything before me. This is glorious, right? I feel laborious, right? In spite of being ridiculed, I'm enjoying this life. They used to call me angry till I grew to fur. They said I wouldn't make it, well I didn't concur. Hands for the hood, and the families that ate good on the first. Everyday decision, should I sell pot or invest in a pot to piss in? My great-grandparents were slaves. Now every block trying to turn me Christian. But low black boys ain't never got nowhere off of wishing. Is it my color? Is it what I'm under? Sticks up in the grass. They said black was the future, and now they wanna see us past. They'll shoot me in my hoodie. They'll shoot me if I'm on the block goodie. They'll drive. They'll shoot me if my voice is too deep. This is wicked America. How do niggas sleep? Krump is my crowd. Yeah. They gon' hit me with that shit. This is why I can't see. In the form of dance, sweat and tears in my fears. This one was a living hell. Yeah. So when I'm fucking feel like war. See all my struggles, success, in the form of dance.
I like that. We got this, bro. We got this.
So when I'm praying, I know my mama listening. Shit, that's a given. I crump with the father's kids, and I hope that they forgive them. The school's right among them, jump in the system, and they keep it distant. I crump for the cripple, I crump for the sick. Now I'm chest popping for the brain dead. I'm live into the fame dead. The strong and bang head, test that. Then you gon' see what's good. Instead of off at each other, we get up and we session in the hood. It's out there, my problems. We doing what war can accomplish.
All right. Give it up, yo. Give it up for Chaos, everybody. Give it up for Chaos. Khalim is on the way for Chaos. Let's get this. Make some space, everybody. Open up. Okay. Yeah. What you talking about? up, everybody. Give it up for Khalim. Give it up for Khalim. That was super dope. We go to round. Mr. Get Off. NoscriptX.
Let's go.
He's gonna give it this time. Ooh, I like the concept. The concept. Ooh. He's going for the crowd with. Yeah. Ooh. That shit is hot. That shit is hot. Oh, God. Okay, we play the same track, right? Okay, we play the same track. Yeah. Okay, play the first track that he had earlier.
Can I get an encore?
First track.
Yes, I want more. I'll do anything for it. It's like that. Krump is my horror story. Pinned to the block. Rewritten everything before me. This is glorious, right? I feel a warrior's life. And in spite of being ridiculed, I'm enjoying this life.
Okay, DJ, Khalim, let's get this.
Can I get an encore? Yes, I want more.
I want more, Khalim. I want more.
I'll do anything for it.
You do anything?
It's like that. Krump is my horror story. Pinned to the block. Rewritten everything before me. This is glorious, right? I feel a warrior's life. And in spite of being ridiculed, I'm enjoying this life. They used to call me Ape. They said I wouldn't make it, well I didn't concur. I danced for the hood, and families that ain't good on the first. Should I dance a thing? Everyday decision, should I sell my home, invest in a pocket missing? My great-grandparents were slaves, off the boats. Now every block trying to turn me Christian. But little black boys that never got nowhere off of wishing. Isn't my color, isn't what
No problem, you got this, Khalim, you got this. Give it up, give it up.
Yes, I want more. I'll do anything for it.
Khalim,
It's like that.
Delhi Moshpit.
Krump is my horror story. Pinned to the block. Rewritten everything before me. This is glorious, right? I feel a warrior's life. And in spite of being ridiculed, I'm enjoying this life. They used to call me Ape, like who the fuck? They said I wouldn't make it, well I didn't concur. I danced for the hood, and your family's that good on the first. So should I dance a thing? Every session should I sell my life in the pocket? My great-grandparents was slaves. Everybody trying to turn me Christian. Those black boys that never got nowhere off the wish list. And now they wanna see us pass. They'll shoot me if I hold Skittles. They'll shoot me in my hoodie. They'll shoot me. They'll try to shoot me if I'm too big. This is too
Everybody, good.
had to Krump to keep from out the prison. So when I pray, I know my mama listens. Forgiving. Krump for the fatherless kids. And I hope that they forgive them. The schools write them off with gentlemen in the system and they keep their distance.